Yeah, this is the one you want to look at. Mounting to a joist. Where's the...
I always thought this should come into play somehow.
That should go on here, I think.
I think this is the break, though.
I think that should go where my hands are.
Like, why?
Because you got this, too.
What the fuck is that?
It goes into that.
Oh.
I think that's if you don't use the mount.
I think you could come here, look. Let's go on this little thing here.
God.
Why don't you read the fucking direction? Why am I holding this?
Because you're the next person in line.
Alright.
Hold on, what's Jay?
It's that fruity thing.
What's I?